Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐸𝐬𝐬 with another tutorial whether how you can schedule your posts on your Facebook business page using Metricool. So to schedule your posts, sign into your Metricool account and go to Planning tab. Here you can click either here anywhere in this area or you can just click on Create Post. Both will open the same window. Well, there are two sections of this window. On this section, you will be able to see the preview of your post, and on this section, you will be able to create your post. Well, here are the logos of all the platforms you may have connected with Metricool. And since I'm interested in scheduling my posts on Facebook, I'm selecting Facebook and turning off all the other platforms. And when you click on this drop down, it gives you options whether what exactly you want to schedule. Since this tutorial is about scheduling posts, I'm selecting post. Now add your image and it will show you an ellipsis icon on your image which you can use to edit your image. And when you are done editing your image, add some description. And there is a huge number of characters limit which you can utilize to explain your post. Anyhow, if you want to use link shortener, just turn on this option. And when you are done creating your post, you can check its preview regarding different devices. And if there are some extra notes you want to add about this post, you can add them here. Now, select the time and date you want your post should go live. And then click on schedule. Now your post has just been scheduled. And when you hover your cursor on it, it is showing that the status of this post is pending. And if for some reason you want to change the time and date, you can just drag and drop it there. And when your post will be published, the status of this post will change from pending to published. And when you go to your Facebook business page, you can see that the post has just been published, and this is how it will look like. And you can click on this link too to check the stats of this post. Anyhow, once a post has been published, it cannot be rescheduled. And if you want to reschedule this post, first open it and duplicate it, and then make changes according to your needs. And then change its time and date to reschedule it. And here you can see that it's been rescheduled. Well, when you go back to the Facebook section on the main page, here you will be able to see the stats of your Facebook page. And with the free Metricool account, you will be able to see the stats for 3 months. And this is how you can schedule your posts on your Facebook business page using Metricool. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.